If you're looking for promotional products or branded apparel and you're in the hospitality space, then look no further. Hi, my name is Nestor Villalobos and I'm the VP of Sales at Sharp Promo. For over 30 years, we've been helping hoteliers up their swag game. We work with some of the best brands in the industry, including Marriott, Hilton, and Ritz-Carlton properties, just to name a few. We also work with some of the largest cruise lines in the world, including Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, and Norwegian. Now, really what sets us apart from our competition is our vertical integration, meaning we do most of our jobs in-house. And that helps our clients really in three main areas. The first is speed. Very few competitors can match our throughput. The second is quality. We inspect everything that goes through our doors. And the third, and probably the most important, is price. We take those savings and we pass them right along to you. Now, one of the great things about working with Sharp is that every single one of our clients gets a dedicated account rep. And that's important. Whenever you need anything rushed or you need something changed, you have direct access to that expert over the phone or over email. Now, getting in touch with us is super easy. You can fill out the form below this video. On the bottom right-hand corner, you can click on that little chat icon and you'll be able to talk to a USA-based expert immediately, or just call our 1-800 number at the top of your screen. Now, for all new clients, we're offering a free $50 embroidery setup fee. So make sure to mention this video to your expert and they'll pass those savings along to you. Well, we're all looking to work with you. Give us a call soon. Reach out. We can't wait. Bye for now.